practicing tonight. Chicken thighs in the Coleman Camp Stove. So I give it a shot. Everybody, and welcome to JRG. Tonight we are going to be cooking like we would in camp. Yes, I'm home, but we're going to be making baked chicken thighs in the Coleman Camp Stove this evening. So we're going to start off with that. You can have any chicken thighs you want. I prefer ones that have the skin on. I'm going to pat them dry after I take them out of the package, season lightly, and get ready for the oven. So to set up, I have Coleman stove oven ready to go. I'm going to fire it up and get it heated up. So start up the stove. I'm starting the oven heat up sequence. So I want to get up to about 400 degrees. Go from there. Got the chicken thighs here. They've been seasoned lightly. A little all-purpose seasoning, touches of kosher salt and black pepper on both sides and rubbed in. Like I said, I did dry them off. I do have the oven, which is at 400 degrees. I'm going to stick them in now to see where it's at. I may have to adjust the temp. Remember, when you add the chicken, it's probably going to cool down the oven. You got a small area in there, and you're adding meat that's rather cool. I warmed it up a little bit. So you may have to adjust it up a little bit to get back to that 400 degrees, which is where we want it. Also watch it that once we get there, it doesn't go much over. So you do have to monitor this a little bit. It's been about half an hour, so I checked the chicken with this thermometer. They are done. Looking good. Just like out of the oven. Go. So we have another dinner done in this oven. More to follow.